Hello everyone, myself Sonali Gupta and welcome to my channel. See, this is the third lecture of semiconductor. In last lecture we studied the types of semiconductor, p and n-type semiconductor. Next topic is p-n junction. This p-n junction is the basic building block of all devices like diodes, rectifiers. This p-n junction is used in that diodes and rectifiers. See, what happens when p-type and n-type semiconductor are joined, and at the junction what happens? In types of semiconductor we see that what is the major difference between p and n type of semiconductor. In p-type semiconductor majority carriers are holes, and in n-type semiconductor majority carriers are electron. In p, the main difference between these two semiconductors are in p-type these holes are greater than number of holes are greater than number of electron, and in n-type number of electron are greater than number of holes. ये हमने स्टडी किया है इन टाइप्स ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर, पी एंड एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. अगर आपने ये वीडियो नहीं देखा है आप इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिए. उसमें सेमीकंडक्टर के टाइप्स हैं, दैट p and n types हैं, how it is formed, p type semiconductor and n type, what is the difference between these two semiconductor. See, this is the next topic of p-n junction. When these two semiconductor are joined, then there are two processes occur. One is the diffusion process and another one is the drift process. Two processes occur during the formation of this p and n junction. See what happened. In p-type semiconductor, majority carriers are holes, and holes are represented by circle. And here in n-type semiconductor, majority carriers are electrons, and these electrons are represented by simple negative sign. When this junction occur, when these two semiconductors are joined, then these carriers which are in opposite polarity are attracted towards the junction, because always opposite attract each other. These two opposite polarity attracted towards the junction, and these holes attracted towards these electrons. These holes attracted towards the electrons and they recombine with each other. These electron and holes recombine and here form donor immobile ion. These holes attracted towards electron, and at the junction here these electrons and hole recombine and form donor immobile ion, which is stationary. Immobile means this is stationary ions. After recombination, after diffusion of these electron and holes, these ions are formed, and these ions are donor ions which are immobile. At p side, these electron when moves towards hole, and these holes and electrons recombine and form acceptor ions. Acceptor immobile ions. These are also stationary ions. See, these ions, this is the recombination process. This is the diffusion process. Diffusion of electron and holes, because they are opposite polarity, and these opposite polarity ions attracted towards the junction, and at the junction they recombine and form these ions. When these holes recombine with these electrons, they form donor ions, donor immobile ions, and when these electrons recombine with holes at p side, they form these acceptor immobile ions. These are stationary ions, and these ions are stick at the junction. At the junction these ions are formed. This recombination, this diffusion occur, this process of diffusion occur, and these ions are formed at the junction. And at the junction, when these ions are formed, here one layer is developed, one region is developed, and that region is known as depletion region. This region is known as depletion region. This region is depletion region. See, here these ions are formed. Here these acceptor ions, these ions has negative potential, and these donor ions, it has positive potential. That means at the junction, towards P side negative potential develop, and at the N side positive ions, that means positive potential develop. Here one potential develop, and that potential is barrier potential. This potential is called as barrier potential. Barrier potential. Why it is called barrier? Because this, as the junction form and this recombination, this diffusion process occur and ions form at the junction, then after that, when these carriers cannot move towards N side, these holes cannot move towards this N side region, and these electrons also cannot move towards this P region due to this depletion region, due to this barrier potential that provide one barrier. That means further movement here stop due to this barrier potential, due to this depletion region. Thus it is called as barrier potential. Once the region is developed, once the potential is developed, then further movement of electron and holes stop. This is in p-n junction diode. See, then this is all about the majority carriers. Majority carriers are moving, diffuses and produce these ions. This process is known as diffusion process. There is another one process is drift. What is this drift? Here in both semiconductor, we know that there are majority carriers, also there is the minority carriers, and these minority carriers are in p-type semiconductor. These minority carriers are electrons, and in n-type semiconductor, minority carriers are holes. So these minority carriers are move towards the junction. See, here these are electrons, and these electrons move towards this. This is the positive potential, positive polarity. This electron attracted towards positive terminal, positive potential, and these holes attracted, these holes move towards this negative potential. And as these minority carriers can pass through this junction, so some current flows, and that current is drift current. That current is drift current. This current is due to minority carriers, and its value is very less because this current conduction is due to minority carriers, and minority carriers are very less in numbers. Thus, during p-n junction, two processes occur: diffusion and drift. During diffusion process, these majority carriers move towards the junction, recombine, diffused, and form these immobile ions. These immobile ions has opposite polarity. One polarity, these acceptor ions produce at p side and donor ions produce at n side. These are opposite in polarity. Thus here is the one potential developed, potential difference, and that potential is barrier potential. And one region is developed, that is depletion region. The width of depletion region is very less. See, after depletion region develop and barrier potential is produced at the junction, then further movement of charge carriers stop, and this is the diffusion process. Another one is the drift current. That drift current is produced due to minority carriers. In p side, these electrons are minority carriers, and n side holes. These are moves towards opposite polarity. These carriers can move through the junction and produce small current, that is drift current. This is happen in during the formation of PN junction. See, this PN junction is used with this PN junction. This is a basic building block, and with the use of this we can design diodes. First diode is your PN junction diode, but PN junction is operated in two regions. One is forward bias and another is reverse bias. This is the PN junction diode. P and N junction form when this it is designed in PN junction diode. PN junction diode has two terminals. One is P and another is N. This positive terminal is known as anode and negative terminal is known as cathode. The symbolic representation of PN junction diode is this. It has two terminals. One terminal is known as anode. This is positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. This is known as cathode. This PN junction is designed in PN junction P-type and N-type semiconductor. When PN junction is designed, this is used in PN junction diode. Two terminal device is manufactured from this PN junction. These two terminal, one is anode and another one is cathode. In device, उसमें at the side of cathode there is the ring, which is for identification of cathode terminal. There is the one color ring, golden ring or any other ring at this cathode side, which distinguish the two terminal, anode and cathode terminal. See, this PN junction diode, this is the two terminal diode, and this diode we are using in two biasing. One is forward biasing and another is reverse biasing. What is this forward and reverse biasing? In forward biasing, when this P-type P terminal is connected to positive terminal of the battery and N terminal is connected to negative terminal of the battery, then this PN junction is in forward bias. These are two terminal, one is positive and another is negative. When positive terminal is connected to the external supply, positive terminal of the external supply, and negative terminal of diode is connected to negative terminal of external supply, then this biasing, this PN junction diode we are using in forward bias. This is forward bias. What happened in forward bias? See, when this external voltage we are applying, this has terminal positive and negative. Here is the depletion region. Here depletion region, what happened? Depletion region has potential, this negative and this positive. Depletion region has potential negative and positive. This potential, this is this potential and this polarity of this potential is difference. There is a difference in potential. Due to this depletion region, width of depletion region is decreased in forward biasing, because here potential is difference. Potential difference is polarity of potential difference is different, and thus this barrier potential is reduced from this external voltage. See, as we say that barrier potential is fixed, we are using here silicon as the semiconductor material, and silicon has 0.7 volt. This is the barrier potential. When this depletion region develop, here is the barrier potential of 0.7 volt. When we are applying external voltage less than this 0.7 volt, when we applying external voltage less than 0.7 volt, then here there is no conduction of electricity. देखो, अगर हम एक्सटर्नल वोल्टेज जो अप्लाई करते हैं वो अगर इस बैरियर पोटेंशियल से लेस है, अगर हम बैरियर पोटेंशियल से लेस वोल्टेज अप्लाई करेंगे तो ये कैरियर्स इस पोटेंशियल को ओवरकम नहीं कर सकते तब तक जब तक ये बैरियर पोटेंशियल इससे ज़्यादा आप पोटेंशियल अप्लाई करेंगे। एक्सटर्नल वोल्टेज, अगर आपका एक्सटर्नल वोल्टेज ये 0.7 वोल्ट से ज़्यादा है तो ही यहाँ पे करंट कंडक्शन होगा इन फॉरवर्ड बायस। इफ़ वी अप्लाई 0.3 वोल्ट, अगर हम 0.3 वोल्ट देते हैं तो यहाँ पे ये कैरियर्स के पास बैरियर पोटेंशियल 0.7 वोल्ट का है। बैरियर पोटेंशियल क्या कर रहा है, करंट कंडक्शन कैरियर्स को मूव ही नहीं होने दे रहा है डिप्लीशन रीजन से। अगर आप उसको ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल दोगे तो ही वो कैरियर्स क्या करेंगे, मूव करेंगे। और वो वोल्टेज, ये बैरियर पोटेंशियल से आप ज़्यादा वोल्टेज दोगे तो ही यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये कैरियर्स इस डिप्लीशन रीजन को ब्रेक करके करंट कंडक्शन करना स्टार्ट करते हैं। दिस इज हैपन इन फॉरवर्ड बायस। सी, this is the VI characteristic of forward bias. This is forward bias and this is reverse bias. Voltage and current. On x-axis we are plotting voltage and y-axis we are plotting current. Here voltage 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 volt and here current is in milliampere. In forward bias, the current conduction is in milliampere. This is the current which are plotted on y-axis. See, this is the graph. At 0.7 volt, there is no conduction of current. As the 0.7 volt reach, after that, current conduction start. This is the forward bias of PN junction diode. मीन्स पीएन जंक्शन डायोड एक स्विच की तरह वर्क करता है। वो फॉरवर्ड बायस में करंट कंडक्ट करता है, बट एक बैरियर पोटेंशियल, आपको बैरियर पोटेंशियल से ही ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल एक्सटर्नली अप्लाई करना होगा, तभी क्या होगा, ये कैरियर्स डिप्लीशन रीजन को ब्रेक करके करंट कंडक्शन करना स्टार्ट करते हैं। अप टू दैट देयर इज़ नो कंडक्शन ऑफ करंट। दिस इज इन फॉरवर्ड बायस। Then in reverse bias, what is this reverse bias? Reverse bias means in reverse bias P type is connected to the negative terminal of the supply. P type is connected to the negative terminal of the supply and N type is connected to the positive terminal. Means anode is connected to the negative terminal of external supply and cathode is connected to positive terminal of the supply. Opposite polarity. Here polarity of external voltage is change. This is the polarity of external voltage and this is the polarity of barrier potential. These both polarities are same. That means here region, depletion region, width of depletion region increases. See, in P type majority carriers are holes and N type electrons. Here we are giving negative, these holes are positive, these holes are moved towards negative terminal and these electrons are moved towards positive terminal. This depletion region width increases. In reverse bias, is depletion region width of depletion region increases, due to which there is no conduction of current. यहाँ पे किसी भी तरह का कोई कंडक्शन नहीं होगा, but there is the minority carrier. That minority carriers are here electrons and here are holes. These minority carriers can conduct electricity, but that electricity is very less. This is in microampere. That current is very less here. This is the reverse bias graph. This is current and this is the voltage. See, as the voltage increases, there is no current, very small current. This is the minority current, reverse current. this is the reverse current, and this at this time, as the voltage, reverse voltage, maximum reverse voltage, this current increases rapidly, and this maximum voltage is the breakdown voltage. This is the reverse breakdown voltage. As this external voltage reaches this value, this current increases rapidly, and this phenomena we are using in another diode, that is Zener diode, which is the next topic of this section. See, this is the reverse bias and this is the forward bias. Basically, PN junction diode operate only in forward bias. In reverse bias, there is no conduction of current. Whenever in circuit we are using this PN junction diode, it is operated only in forward bias. In reverse bias, there is no current conduction. It is only operated in forward bias, and in forward bias, when it exceeds its barrier potential, if applied voltage is greater than its barrier potential, then it starts conducting. This is the forward bias graph and this is the reverse bias. This is the VI कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ PN जंक्शन डायोड. आपको ये वीडियो यूज़फुल लगता हो तो आप प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू.